Almost all of us are aware of the fact that gadgets play a significant role in our daily lives. It is not surprising that there are different kinds of gadgets that are necessary to carry out various tasks. However, there are also some that are too dangerous for us to handle. It is because of this reason that Amazon banned some gadgets. If you're curious as to why these gadgets have been banned, stay tuned until the end. In the description box below, you will find Amazon affiliate links. Let's get right to the video. Number 1. A Flamethrower Kit. This hot rod exhaust flamethrower kit can shoot a flame up to 20 feet out of the exhaust when you command it. It's easy to install, and detailed instructions ensure compatibility with most exhaust systems. The main control box controls one spark plug to give optimal performance to a single exhaust system. In addition to the control box activation button, wire loom, and wire diagram, the kit does not include coils and spark plugs that may be required for some vehicles. Number 2. Spy Camera. This hidden camera charger allows you to keep track of your nanny, babysitter, elderly parents, caregivers, colleagues, and clients. It comes with a USB charger that is properly integrated into the charger. With its 1080p HD sharpness, the Spy Camera's chargers, photos, and videos stand out so you don't miss anything. This covert security camera features a wide-angle lens that captures more space from one point in HD. The 1920 by 1080p videos from it may be viewed on any device without additional software. Number 3. Keychain Knives. There is no right or wrong way to use it. It's entirely up to you whether you want to use it as a keychain or dangerous weapon. It is for this reason that it was banned, even though keychain knives are becoming increasingly popular, but are still illegal on AliExpress and Amazon. Whether you're looking for self-defense or slicing potatoes, they are perfect. At number 4. Small Spy Camera Pen. Although spy pens appear very much like ordinary pens, they have a concealed digital camera hidden inside them that allows a user to take covert video while they are in the process. You won't get caught if you put the pen in your shirt pocket or hold it in your hand, and no one will think you are spying on them. Many people use them for tests when video proof is important in situations such as making deliveries or secret shopping, where video proof is useful. Number 5. Glasses with camera. Spy glasses are a cool gadget in science fiction and spy stories. In surveillance and security enforcement, spy glasses have become an indispensable tool. These glasses usually have unisex frames with a video camera embedded at eye level between the lenses for hands-free recording. The accompanying microphone can pick up sounds up to several feet away, and there are no exposed switches to start or stop the camera, ensuring that the recording takes place without arousing suspicion. There is an SD card slot on one of the spectacle arms that is accessible via the micro SD card. Holding one of the arms reveals a USB port for charging the batteries. However, this feature was also banned due to privacy concerns. Number 6. Wall Wiretap. If you would like to overhear your enemy's private chats and you do not want to be caught, then what would you do is to overhear them. The truth is, this equipment is well known for being a spy gadget that allows anyone to listen in on conversations going on in another room. Since the equipment is extremely sensitive, it is easy to hear through walls with it. It is possible to easily listen through walls with it because of its high sensitivity. Number 7. USB Killer. Version 4 is a USB killer. This USB stick fries almost anything connected to it, from laptops to smartphones to consoles and cars. For about $50, you can buy the USB killer online, and everyone can destroy almost any computer that has a USB port. It's more than a simple plug and zap device anymore. It comes with an internal rechargeable battery which allows offline attacks when the host device isn't turned on. Furthermore, the Pro has two fundamental delivery modes: single pulse and continuous pulse. It can also be configured wirelessly to trigger in a number of ways, including remote, smartphone, timed, magnetic, and classic modes. Number 8. Voice Changer. With this handheld voice changer, you can change from a male to a female, from a Lita to a robot, from a magnetic field to a queen, from the Minions, from the Optimus Prime to the male. It is perfect for making calls and entertainment with friends, as well as changing your voice in online games. This is a must-have device. If you have one of these devices, what would you do if you wanted to change your voice to sound like the opposite gender? no one has ever been caught using one of these devices on a phone call. So if you did, what would you do? Number 9. GPS Tracker. There are many uses for GPS trackers, whether they are mounted in cars, added to gear, or worn by individuals. These GPS tracking gadgets provide precise location information for vehicles, pieces of equipment, or individuals so that specific details can be reported. This GPS tracker is not your typical GPS tracker because it is designed to follow people and objects specifically. Number 10. Powerful lasers. Among the most technologically advanced handheld laser pointers available today, blue laser pointers provide outputs ranging from 473 Nm at 2 MW to 447 Nm at 1 MW. Can you tell me a little about how dangerous these lasers really are? Lasers of Class 3 are extremely dangerous, but lasers of Class 4 are even more dangerous. These lasers can ignite, and as you can imagine, they can severely damage your eyes and skin. Number 11. LED Police Lights. It has been reported that fake cops use these LED police lights to fake themselves as cops, and these lights were then used to commit a number of crimes due to these fake cops. These lights have been banned, so they can no longer be bought or used. You can easily use this gadget by attaching the blue and red lights to your car and switching them on. Using this gadget can turn your car into a police car within seconds. That's cool, but you might get yourself in trouble. It's no wonder it was banned. Number 12. Twin Blade Knife. Whether you're cutting fishing line or a heavy cardboard box, a good pocket knife is essential to outdoor enthusiasts and stockroom workers alike. And the Craftsman Twin Blade Lockback Knife offers the most useful blades for both. This lightweight knife has the right blades to keep you safe during use and prevents accidental closing when not in use. A Craftsman quality blade keeps an edge for a long time, and it can be sharpened or changed without difficulty. Number 13. Car Keychain Spy Camera. Car key video recorders are small enough for you to carry with your keys without drawing attention. With its built-in DVR and enough battery power to record for 90 minutes, this tiny hidden keychain camera allows you to capture high-quality snapshots and clear audio and video footage. You'll be ready to go in just a few minutes. Just insert a micro SD card and you're good to go. It can also store over 16 hours of video, so you'll never miss an important event with this totally portable surveillance device. Number 14. License number plate with remote control. Having this new device is the most illegal thing I've ever seen. A brand new premium plate made of stainless steel, it can be used both as an interior decoration and a standalone display holder, as well as a remote controlled license plate. It will not rust or damage the remote control because it is sturdy and durable. Number 15. Wireless Lighter Camera. In general, people associate lighters with smoke, but this lighter is quite different because yes, it can be used to carry your cigarettes, but it also contains a mini camera that can be carried around and recorded without suspicion. Or you can place it at your home and monitor it because it has a built-in Wi-Fi transmitter that allows you to monitor it remotely. We are now down to the last banned items on Amazon. Although these incredible devices are illegal, we may never be able to enjoy them fully. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. I look forward to seeing you in our next video shortly. And if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you liked it, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to stay up to date with our next videos. Bye!